Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we learn and solve Telangana State Board Textbook Solutions Grade 7 Chapter 1. Chapter name is Integers. Exercise 1 Questions 1 to 10. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. And please visit my blogs mathsgrade.com for getting more information regarding the textbook solutions of different boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn about exercise 1 questions 1 to 10, questions 1 to 7 of chapter integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is some integers are marked on number lines, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. This is the number line given, middle 0. In your textbook, this is the number line. This is the figure given in your textbook. I will draw this one. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. And 0 from 0 left hand side this is negative numbers, negative integers, and from 0 to the right hand side all are positive. This is positive integers 6, 7. -3 and 2. These two integers are given within circle, and we have to find out which is the biggest and which is the smallest. From between -3 and 2, which is the smallest and which is the biggest number. We know every positive integers are greater than the every negative integers. So your -3 is its negative signs, minus sign is here. So this is the smallest integer and this is the biggest integer. 2 is the biggest, it is positive sign. 2 is a positive integer, so it will be the biggest integer, and -3 is a negative integer, so it will be the smallest integer. So -3 the smallest integer and 2 is the biggest integer. So which is the biggest integer is 2 is the biggest integer and -3 is the smallest integer. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is write the integers between the pair of integers given below and also choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. First bit is -5 and -10. From these two numbers -5 and -10 we have to find the integers between them, and from that number we have to find the biggest and the smallest integers. First we draw the number line. This is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side all are positive integers, and from 0 to the left hand side all are negative integers. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and this is -10. And from -5 and -10, this is -5 and this is -10. From these two numbers we have to find the integers between -5 and -10, -9, -8, -7 and -6. These four numbers are between -5 and -10. And when now we have to find the biggest and the smallest integer from these four numbers, -6, -7, -8, -9. From these numbers we have to find the biggest and the smallest integer. When we compare the negative integers, the smaller number with negative signs will be the biggest integer, and bigger number with the negative sign will be the smallest integer. So here 9 is the bigger number, but it is having negative sign, -9. So it will be the smallest integer. -9 is smallest. -9 is the smallest integer, and -6 is the smaller number, but it is having negative sign, so it will be the biggest integer. So -6 is biggest. Now we solve question number second bit. 3 and -2, these are two integers given, and from these integers we have to find the other integers between them, and we have to find the biggest and the smallest integer from them. First we draw the number line. This is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side all are positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from 0 to the left hand side all are negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4. We have given 3 and -2. This is 3 and this is -2. These two integers are given, and we have to find the integers. We have to find the other integers between 3 and -2. So from between -2 and 3, -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the four integers given. These are the four integers are between -2 and 3. -2 and 3, the integers are -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the four integers between -2 and 3. So from these four integers, -1, 0, 1 and 2, we have to find the biggest and the smallest integer. -2, 2 is the smallest integer with negative sign -2, and here -1 is the smallest integer, 0, 1 and 2. We know all positive integers are greater than the negative integer. So here 2 is the biggest integer, and -1, all negative integers are the smallest than the positive integer. So here -1 is the smallest integer. 2 is the biggest, and -1 is the smallest. Two is the biggest integer and -1 is the smallest integer between these four integers, -1, 0 and 1 and 2. Now we solve question number third bit. Third bit is -8 and 5. These two integers are given, and we have to find the other integers between -8 and 5, and we have to choose the biggest and the smallest integers from them. First we draw the number line. This is 0, and from 0 to the right hand side all are positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are positive integers, and from 0 to the right hand and left hand side all are negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and this is -9. All are negative integers, and from between -8 and 5 you have to find the other integers. This is -8 and this is 5. Between -8 and 5, these are the integers. Between them, -8 and 5, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the integers between -8 and 5. And now we have to find the biggest and the smallest integer from these integers. We know all negative integers are the smallest integer than the positive integer. So here -7, 4 is the biggest integer, as it is positive integer. 4 is the positive integer, so it will be the biggest integer. We know every positive integer are the larger than the smallest integer. So here 4 is the biggest integer, and now we have to find the smallest integer. We know the smallest integer, smaller number with negative sign will be the smaller number with negative sign will be the biggest integer, and bigger number with negative sign will be the smallest integer. So here -7, 7 is bigger number, but it is having the negative sign, so it will be the smallest integer. -7 is the smallest integer, and 4 is the biggest integer. So between -8 and 5, these are -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the numbers, these are the integers between -8 and 5, and from this number -7 is the smallest integer and 4 is the biggest integer. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.